Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Pinay in Portuguese Life in America. This is an update on our house project. Christine is up there doing the taping. She does a great job. Now I got Christine doing the mud. The first time doing mud and she's doing a very good job. The reason why I'm training her to do all this work because if I buy more houses, she's going to be one of my workers. We're going to I have to train her so she can train the other people that's going to be working. So Christina's doing a very good job. First time. See, anybody can do it. Anybody can do this.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's so easy. Anybody can do it. Christina's doing a beautiful job. Nice job. All right, guys. Now I'm going to do some John compound on the wall. Christina, she did a professional job on the tape. Looks beautifully. She did a nice job. Now, we take the mud. You see the spatula? Take the mud. Put it on the wall like that, and you just go. Only the first coat. See? Take the first coat like that, see? Take the big spatula. You go nice and easy all the way up. See? Get a beautiful first coat.
Oh, that's only first coat?
This is the first coat. I can do it with 2 coats. As long as you do a good job on your first coat, the second coat should cover it nicely.
The other one is not really nice. Look, I can see the
No, it's
the
beautiful.
tape.
It's the first coat. Yeah, you're gonna see a little bit of tape because it's the first coat. You don't want to go too heavy because remember you got to put up the second coat. You don't want to have it very. You don't want to have it. You don't want to put a very heavy coat because you got to do a second coat on that.
Oh, once it gets dry.
Once it dries, then the first ones I just do like this.
Oh, I see.
This is the first coat. Cover all the nets, all right?
Yep.
That's the lesson for today. You can shut it off. 'Cause I'm not gonna.
It's like a paste.
Let me see. Here we go. The mud is all done. The second coat is all finished. Ready for sanding. The ceilings. It's all ready for sanding and paint. There's a lot of smoke in here. We're sanding the walls. Christina's sanding the walls.
It's very dusty.
Very dusty. It's like smoking in here.
Ah. Do a good job.
Professional. I'm professional over here. That's good. You don't have to put it in. All right, guys. A little update on what we're doing here. We still got a lot of work to do here. Gonna put some more junk compound over here. And we've been sanding the room. We're almost done. This week we should have this all these 3 rooms should be done this week. This is what I do when I get out of work. Christine cleans. She helps out. She does sanding. She does a little bit of modding. And this is what we're doing. No time for music now. No time to travel, to do anything. Just, we gotta do this whole house. And this is a big house to fix up. So me and Christine are doing all the work. So we should be done with these rooms here by this week. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video and see you on the next video.